A Jamestown man is facing more charges in connection to a string of overdoses in that town last month. Lawrence Parrish is now facing additional felony charges of delivery of fentanyl, delivery of meth, and reckless endangerment for allegedly giving drugs to one of the victims. Parrish was already facing charges in this case. For background, here's our original report from March 14th. iNews has now learned a string of overdoses and one death in Jamestown, North Dakota may have revolved around a dangerous batch of fentanyl. On Monday, Jamestown police said they were investigating a string of overdoses, including one death from a dangerous substance that was being distributed. Now, according to court records, we've learned there were approximately 7 overdoses in Jamestown around March 9th. One of those overdoses was a female victim at the Sunnyside Trailer Court by the Jamestown Dam. She had to be revived with a dose of Narcan, and she's been talking to police. She says she passed out within seconds of ingesting a blue pill. At this time, police have not identified the overdose victim who died, and no one has been charged in connection with that person's death. However, 2 people are now facing charges in connection to the overdose of at least one victim. According to statements by the Stutsman County Narcotics Task Force and court documents, the case at this point revolves around Lawrence Parrish, following a search of his room at the Econo Lodge Motel, and Kathleen Phillips, following surveillance of her in a vehicle, witness statements, phone records, and interviews with both suspects. Lawrence Parrish has been charged with 2 felonies of delivery of fentanyl and reckless endangerment for allegedly providing the drugs that led to the overdose in the trailer park. Kathleen Phillips is facing a felony charge of criminal attempt for allegedly engaging in conduct that constituted a step toward the delivery of a controlled substance. Now, at this point, according to court documents, it appears there are other suspects in this case, including a source from Bismarck who may have delivered the drugs to Jamestown. We'll keep you updated if and when any additional charges are filed. I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNews.TV.